Hello Mzansi, I am going to need your attention for a minute. So, Siphiwe Ngema connection to Thabo Bester has been a subject of controversy with many people demanding answers. The public is raising some serious concerns. 1. When and how did you meet TK Motsepe? 2. Did she know that TK was imprisoned for and for how long? 3. Did she visit Thabo Bester or TK Motsepe in prison? 4. Since she was working with TK Motsepe while she knew he was in prison, who were his accomplices on the outside? 5. How much was she owed and did she receive her money? 6. Who are the other public figures? 7. How does she know that she was not the last to visit him? 8. She visited him in jail in April 2018, the same TK Motsepe who was in New York and throws a media launch in June 2018. Didn't this seem a little bit odd to Siphiwe Ngema? 9. When the news of Thabo Bester being seen at Woolies broke out, why couldn't she say anything? So Mzansi, to refresh your memory, uSiphiwe Ngema's husband, Udumi, was KILLED in 2017, and then she visited Thabo Bester in jail in 2018. According to Mangaung Correctional Facility records, they say that Thabo Bester was booked at Mangaung as Thabo Bester. Siphiwe Ngema was owed money by TK Motsepe and she visited Thabo Bester at Mangaung Correctional Service as Thabo Bester, not TK Motsepe. So who was Siphiwe Ngema visiting in 2018? Thabo Bester or TK Motsepe? Another concern that Mzansi raised is that you do not shoot a man sitting in his car outside his girlfriend's place. Her involvement with Thabo Bester is questionable. Dumi Masilela's death needs to be reinvestigated and the killers questioned who paid them. So Dumi Masilela's killers, I know that 5 people got arrested and they are sentenced life imprisonment. So something is just not adding here, Mzansi. There's just a lot on stake. Comment below and let me know what you think about this whole thing. Siphiwe Ngema involvement with Thabo Bester and TK Motsepe. Till I see you again, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the latest Mugosi. Bye bye.